Now you can see that I have added all the planets. Now we are going to place them according to the positions they have in the solar system. Like first is Mercury. So selecting the Mercury and placing it near to the Earth. Then all the other planets one by one, I'm going to place in such a way. Positioning should be like I guess Mercury. First, we are going to place the Mercury. Okay, it left here, so I'm placing it here. Mercury, Venus, Earth, which is rotating on the axis, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn. Taking the Saturn now, placing it like this. Uranus, selecting the Uranus and placing it. Now, if you think perfect, no, this one was Venus. Okay, this is Venus and this is Uranus. So just setting the values quickly. So in this way, I have placed all the planets according to their orders in the solar system. Now we have to do exactly the same thing, that we want to make them revolve around the sun, but on their own axis. So for that, what we have done, as I told you, this value is going to be the speed of the planet, and this value is going to be the distance of the planet. So we need to make this distance properly for each planet, that they revolve around the sun. So arranging that, and let's take for Mercury first. So just changing its value. Now, if you will see that if I have taken the same value for Mercury, you can't see it because they both are moving. Earth and Mercury both are moving on the same axis. So there I'm making some difference. I'm making some changes. Let's make this as 60 and 30. So you will keep on seeing the planets. Perfect. Now after Mercury, I'm making Venus. So 60 and 30. Let's make these difference equal as we are moving in the backside. Okay. So like let's say 60 30 for Venus. I can make it 90 45. Okay, let's stop it, else it will look very funny. For Earth, let's make it 120 and 60. And like that for each planet, I'm making a difference of 30 30 each, I guess. Uh, so after 120, let's say I'm taking for the Mars, I'm taking it as 150 and half of it 75. For Jupiter, I'm taking it as 180 and 90. For Saturn, 210 and half of 210 is 105, I guess. Okay, then after that for Saturn, I'm going this 210, so 230 and making it as 115. And for this 230, making it 250 and 125. Now more the changes you want, you can change their speeds once you are done with the axis. Let's see whether they are working fine or not. You can see they are rotating, they are revolving around the sun properly. Now, what difference we can make? We can change their colors, axis colors. Let's say for every I'm just changing the axis color. Each one has their own color of axis. Size, you can ask the students for the size. We have many colors. And of course, if we don't want them to rotate, to revolve equally, we can change the speed also. Okay, you can make some faster, some slower in that way. Thank you.